You good to go?
No.
Your email's done?
No.
Sorry for bugging you, but I'm really... We got something really cool planned that's really irresponsible, and I'm really happy about this today. So here's the deal. We were shooting some marketing pieces for all this new team gear, and since Magic had the slow-mo camera, the Phantom, Ken figured we should do some scientific testing to make sure his all-wheel drive system works before going into a rally next week.
And this honestly isn't that smart of an idea, but I can't help myself. It's I have to race this car in a week and a half. The engine just got rebuilt from overheating in Mexico. Haven't really run the engine that much yet, so test is next week. So it's a bit of risk. It's kind of dumb.
Well, you know what they say, is you should always break in a motor the way you're gonna drive it. And what better way to break it in than chaining it to a tree?
What race team says that? Please, Zach, please tell me what race team says that.
I don't know, find it somewhere on the internet and drop it in.
Tire test. Another Toyo tire test. Thank you, Toyo, for all tires.
Hell yeah. Well, let's go do it. This, by the way, super
nice.
appropriate.
Appropriate t-shirt. Science. Look at this. Phantom camera. We're missing a Magic, though.
There he is.
Oh, yeah, there's Magic. So here's the science of this. Because the Phantom camera captures these very short clips, we're going to have to run this thing doing burnouts 4, 5, 6 times and then do the ultimate one where we blow the tires at the end. So this is going to take several tries. Should be fun. And by the way, this is the first day in a week that I've put my foot into a shoe since I broke my big toe kickboxing. First time using a clutch too. This should be interesting.
Nice.
I'm walking okay though.
Good, just don't suck. So since we're not trying to break this thing week before the rally, put a little bit of water down. You know, safety first. Whatever. It's gonna do what it's gonna do, right?
Well, that's the point, isn't it?
Yes.
I need a break though. How about we cut to some of those product shots we were doing inside?
Hell yeah.
All right.
Cut to Ken catching on fire.
Nothing like a little tire slaying on a Tuesday afternoon. That worked well.
Nice. Usually not that close to the tires when they pop. So. I was actually a little further back. Magic didn't even flinch.
Oh, yeah.
He is a true professional.
How was it? Was that your first all-wheel drive burnout you've seen?
No, it's not my first all-wheel drive burnout I've seen, but you know what? It's my first actual somebody being a head with a rally car chained to a truck burnout in a parking lot that I've seen. So I was very happy to be a part of that.
Well, unfortunately, though, I mean, what we want is a really dramatic tire blowing explosion, like parts flying everywhere, destroying the corner of the car. But I have a race in a week, so we really kind of don't want the bigger part of the explosion. But I think we got a very cool shot, but it's not as dramatic as I probably would have liked. We might have to do this again with a car that we just don't care about.
I got one in mind.
The Toyo really held up.
Yeah.
And we got it to, I mean, we destroyed this tire, but, you know, I always want something as dramatic as possible.
Of course. Well, look, you know what? The problem is you're using too good of tires, right?
And too nice of a car.
Exactly. if you had really crappy tires on there, they just delaminate, debead, and
By the way, look at just the spread of the tire.
Oh yeah,
debris. And
got a nice pile back here.
Yeah, I've even wet that down because I did not want it to catch fire and burn my race car to the ground a week before the race. So, but I think we're done. That's fun. Is that a wrap? That's a wrap? That's a wrap.
I think that's a wrap. Oh wait, that's a wrap!